Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everyone, a very bullish end of the week for oil. So yesterday we saw ourselves in this tight pattern between previous levels of support and resistance. We broke bearish, but we formed a higher low compared to where we filled that gap at 52.06. New support, higher low is at 52.24. And we broke to higher highs, turning all these levels into support. That resistance was 53.16, and we can see we closed up at the high. So this is a very strong close heading into next week. And we look at the daily time frame and can see that very clearly, where we have our consolidation, our low at $50 even, and now another consolidation higher low at 52.06. And the bulls just need to see a break of 53.76. We have a double top at that level, and then the highest price we've seen on this move is 54.48. So still making progress. Close at the high at the end of the week obviously has momentum heading into next week for the bulls. And we look at the weekly time frame, very small upper wick, not a lot of profit taking. Bulls holding up very, very well. So let's look at it on the 4-hour chart, a bit different time frame here. And we can see it is getting pretty tight in the sense that we do have our lower high, and we've been maintaining higher lows for quite some time now. So if we don't see a bull break of this double top of 53.76, we'll look to consolidate, and as long as we form a higher low on that consolidation compared to the low that we hit today, which was down at that 52.24 level, the bulls will still be holding on. So 52.06, 52.24, key support levels. As long as any consolidation forms above those levels, the bulls remain in control. So we can see a lot of this strength on a lot of these oil names. Let's look at USO on the daily time frame. And the range is tightening where we have our high, low, lower high, higher low, reaching an equilibrium and a strong end to the week, trying to fend off this bearish MACD cross. And looking at USO on the weekly time frame for a bit of a different perspective, you can see that tightening range shows up as an inside candlestick with a small range compared to the previous week. And we'll see which direction we break that inside candlestick next week. It will be a shortened trading week with the holiday. But as of right now, nice uptrend over the past 6 weeks for USO. And we did get that higher high by breaking the highs of October. So oil bulls in full control unless we see otherwise by breaking the higher low pattern on the hourly. That will remain the case. So a couple resistance levels in sight. I hope you have a wonderful holiday break, and we'll see you back next week.